it's David Greene, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell, the nation's leader in regenerative therapy training. I wanted to describe 4 reasons why you should attend the R3 Musculoskeletal Ultrasound Injection Training course. So the first reason is that it's a hands-on course. You're not just sitting in a classroom watching a presentation of somebody else doing ultrasound. You will actually be able to see it and get your hands on the ultrasound and work on it with either yourself or other attendees. And leads me to number 2, we have real patients at the course. We're not going to have cadavers. We're not just going to have, animal chicken breasts or things like that. You're going to have real patients who have real issues, whether it's arthritis or other types of pathology, to be able to work on big and small joints, all right? The number 3 reason is our trainers. Our trainers combined have over 40 years of experience in ultrasound teaching. So you're not going in with somebody who just learned it and now they're teaching it, all right? These are people who've been doing it for a very long time in an educational setting. And the number 4 reason is that anybody who comes to one of the R3 ultrasound injection training courses will receive a free procedure. Now, we don't use saline or just lidocaine. You'll get a real regenerative biologic. Now, it'll be one of the same biologics that is utilized in the R3 network of centers of excellence nationwide. For the past 8 years, our centers have done over 13,000 procedures with regenerative biologics that have been very effective and very safe. We've never had a significant adverse event. So you'll get to have a procedure with either an exosome or a stem cell biologic in whatever area of the body that you desire. And that'll be great with empathy with your patients who are considering one of those procedures as well. Patients are getting a lot smarter every year. They love it when providers use image guidance. It's not so convenient to have a big fat C-arm in the office. An ultrasound machine is portable, it's inexpensive. It's a great way to include either a diagnostic procedure and goes along great with accuracy for your injections. Patients love it. So visit us online today to sign up. There's a link below in the description. Just click on that. You'll see some information and the ability to sign up online. Or just call us at 844-GET-STEM. Thank you.